What's up, YouTube? Just want to do a little video on kind of the truth that is kept from us with the plants in our reality and how they actually can think for themselves compared to what the mainstream and what everyone tries to tell you about animal instinct. And I gotta give a shout out to E, the truth virus himself, because that's a guy that really does incredible work in not waking people up, but helping people to wake up themselves. And a nice one is the thought process of plants. And here's just a little snippet. Check it.
If you are already kind of creeped out by carnivorous plants like this pitcher plant, a new study detailing how exactly they trap their prey probably...
My mom was actually down visiting, and she got me a pitcher plant. And so, just doing a little bit of research and investigating into them, just the simplicity of it, you just find out some incredible things. And this is what kind of got me onto it.
won't help. That's because the study, which looked at the Nepenthes rafflesiana species, found that the plant is pretty crafty when it comes to trapping ants, its largest food source. The plant takes advantage of the fact that ants are social animals. Instead of trapping every ant that comes by, it lets the scout ants escape and waits until the whole group shows up to spring the trap. It does that by leaving part of its pitcher dry for the scout ant before wetting the pitcher when more ants show up, leading it to capture batches of ants instead of individuals. The lead author on the study, Bristol University's Dr. Ulrika Bauer, has examined this kind of behavior in other pitcher plants, previously noting how plants adjust the slipperiness of their pitchers to trap more ants. As the study notes, the plant deactivating its trap from time to time to prevent capturing scout ants doesn't seem to make sense from an evolutionary perspective, because presumably
Weird.
the plant would want to trap all the ants it could. But by catching ants in batches through turning the trap on and off, ultimately the plant trapped more ants than always having the trap on, which means plants that had the on and off feature would have survived and reproduced more successfully. The study makes a point of clarifying that it's a more viable strategy for larger plants than for smaller plants, because larger plants have more pitchers and therefore a higher chance of catching batches of ants. The researchers also wrote the behavior helps explain why the ability to create a more slippery pitcher surface is present across species of Nepenthes. For Newsy, I'm Sebastian Martinez.
You see with just this one study that this one particular plant, and all of them think, and all of them know where to grow towards the sunlight, towards soul. They need their energy, so they know where to put their leaves. They know how far and how much root to grow, where to send their energy. All of these are living spirits. Every plant. You guys have a great fun time. Enjoy it.